Have you ever understood English, but when it's your turn to speak, you go completely silent? You know the answer in your head, but you just can't say it out loud. If this happens to you, you're not alone. Most English learners understand a lot, but they can't speak fluently. The problem is not your level, it's your thinking process. When someone speaks to you in English, your brain does this. English. Translate, then respond. That delay is what blocks you. It makes you slow. It makes you nervous. And it makes you freeze. Fluent speakers don't translate, they respond directly. That's why they sound natural. To fix this, you need to stop translating in your head. Start thinking in short sentences. For example, I want water, I am tired, I am going out, I need help. Also, talk to yourself in English. Say what you're doing. I am eating, I am walking, I am studying. It feels strange at first, but it works. And there's something else you should start doing. Think in English during your day. Not just when you study, but all the time. When you see something, describe it. This is a car. It is a sunny day. I am tired. I need water. Don't translate your thoughts. Just say them directly in English. At first, your brain will try to go back to your language. That's normal. But little by little, it will change. Another important thing is this. Stop learning single words. Start learning phrases. Because real English is made of phrases. Use simple phrases like this. By the way, I'm not sure. Sounds good. Let me think. If you do this every day, your English will start to feel natural. You will stop freezing. You will start speaking faster, not perfect, but fluent.